Everyone, wanted to show you one more Calvert. Excuse the noise, we are doing construction right now across the street, but this Calvert, while it offers first floor living, has the sunroom extension as well as the owner's room extension in it. We've got a little different color palette in here as well. So you'll see here in the kitchen, you've got those nice painted white linen cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Again, you have the laundry room here off the end of the kitchen, as well as a powder room for your guests. And then your two-car garage off of the entryway. Sorry, we had a low Wi-Fi connection there for a moment. Started back here at the kitchen. We saw off the kitchen where the laundry room, powder room, garage were, and we're back in that main living area, and that's the sunroom option. So you're adding a nice sunroom off of the main living area. It gives you some additional light because not only do you have the door and two windows on the back like normal, you have three windows with a glass door off to the side. And then you have the option, you can put a patio right here. And again, kind of show you backyard space here. We've got another covered porch option that we saw in one of our other videos. And like I was saying previously, most of the lots here will back up to either protected woods or a hill with mature trees like this here. So again, here's the sunroom, kind of looking at it from the back view. So you've got that added space here off the family room. And then here with the owner's extension and that tray ceiling, again, this bedroom is quite roomy. In our model home, we have king-size bed, oversized nightstands, dresser, and a chair. It fits comfortably, plenty of walking space around everything. And then we have that owner's extension bathroom. Again, you've got those two sinks separated with additional vanity and cabinet space and separate mirrors. You could get the commode that has a little privacy in an alcove here. And we've got that nice Roman shower that has a seat in it, and then your two controls and two shower heads. Linen closet, and that amazing space in your walk-in closet with three sides of shelves. Plenty of storage area here. A little bit different view. If you do get an engine, you do get side windows. We're just still doing construction out here, but that'll be a common area. You'll get a window in your owner's bathroom, the laundry room, and the powder room. Oh, I take that back. No window in the laundry room. Sorry about that. That would be our Griffin Hall, which is another one of our floor plans. And then you've got your upstairs again. Upstairs is your mechanical closet, two nice sized bedrooms, and another full bath and linen closet, so plenty of storage space.